you are planning to buy a luxury home in Thane, you've probably heard one name again and again, Hiranandani. Welcome to Westgate by House of Hiranandani. 25 acres of large land parcel, multiple towers and world-class amenities. And today I will be giving you the complete tour. But before we move ahead, let me quickly tell you what is Casify. Casify is a platform where we connect home buyers directly with the developers. That means no brokerage, no random commission and no spam phone calls. Because on Casify, listing is done directly by the builder and not the broker. As home buying should be simple and not complicated. And now let's get into the project details. Let's talk about the biggest real estate driver, location and connectivity. Thane has connectivity towards the Eastern Express Highway, Ghorbandar Road, Thane Railway Station, also upcoming metro connectivity, and prominent commercial hubs like Powai, Airoli, BKC and Andheri East are also at a driving distance. That means working professionals will have strong commute from this location of Westgate Hiranandani. The project is developed by the House of Hiranandani, a brand that has shaped iconic townships across Mumbai like in Powai and Thane. And historically, Hiranandani developments have always had something in common. They tend to create micro markets around them, meaning once a Hiranandani township develops, surrounding property prices usually start catching up. And now talking about the Westgate. This is designed as a premium luxury residence offering high-rise towers and modern architecture. Spread across 25 acres of land parcel, this project will have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2 total of 12 towers. In phase 1 they have 6 towers of ground plus 49 to 55 story offering spacious 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. And now let's talk about the lifestyle, because today buyers are not only buying home, they are buying experiences. And at Hiranandani, you will get that resort style lifestyle experience, as you will be getting a large swimming pool, state of the art fitness center, grand clubhouse, banquet hall, jogging tracks, kids play area, mini theatre and everything that you need in your daily lifestyle will be here at Westgate Hiranandani. And now we are beginning with the sample flat tour of the residential project, the Westgate by the House of Hiranandani. Right at the entrance of the flat, you can see a very spacious foyer area, and we are entering the 4 BHK of the project that is spread across the carpet area of 1761 square feet. You can see this over here is your very spacious living and dining area. You can easily place a 3-side sofa and a center table in your living space. Right beside that, you will have your dining space where you can easily fit a 8 to 10 people dining table and accommodate a gathering of 15 to 20 people of friends and family at the very same time. Attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious and luxurious balcony that will have Sanjay Gandhi National Park views for lifetime. You can see how spacious your balcony is. You can place your sofas, swings and tea tables, teachers to enjoy time with your friends and family. Moving forward, over here we have your kitchen space. Also in this 4 BHK, you will be getting a fully furnished kitchen with lower cabinets, upper cabinets and electronic appliances. You will be getting dishwasher, washing machine and also a refrigerator space where you can easily fit a double door fridge. And attached to your kitchen is a servant room that has a separate washroom and a separate entry exit. Let's move forward to the bedroom spaces now. As we move forward, this apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, let's have a look on the bedroom of this side. As we enter, you have a foyer space at the entrance of the bedroom that gives your bedroom privacy. This is the space of your first bedroom where you can easily fit a king size bed. Along with your side tables, you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for standing balcony view. And as we move forward, right near the entrance of the foyer area of the bedroom, you have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now let's move to the other side of the apartment. Over here we have your alley area that has entrance to all your other 3 bedrooms, and before that you also have a powder washroom. And as you move forward, over here is the space of your second bedroom that you can also customize as a study room if you wish to. You can have a look at the space. This bedroom also comes with a private washroom, and right opposite to this bedroom is your third bedroom space that is again very spacious. You can customize this as a kid's bedroom if you wish to. This bedroom will also have half windows and glass facade for beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner is your private washroom of this bedroom. And now let's move to the master bedroom of this 4 BHK. This over here is the starting of your master bedroom. You can see you have a very spacious entrance that will give your bedroom 100% privacy. To the left is the entrance of your private washroom. That is the most spacious private washroom. You can also fit a bathtub if you wish to. And over here, this is the space of your master bedroom of your 4 BHK. You can see you can easily fit your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize a beautiful seating corner, a makeup corner or a study corner, and again you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony views. You can also have a look at the wardrobe space and how spacious your wardrobe space is. And this was your 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project The Westgate by the House of Hiranandani. So therefore, Hiranandani Westgate is perfect for your family. And if you want to download the brochure and price chart, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you can visit our website Casify.in, and if you like this video, you can follow and subscribe to our page Casify. Until then, happy home searching.